How to use a voice changer in Roblox VC on PC. On a Windows PC, a voice changer works properly. The software creates a virtual microphone, and Roblox uses whatever Windows says the default mic is. Confirm voice chat works first. You need to be 13 or older with a completed age check and be in an experience that supports voice. Download a voice changer such as VoiceMod, Clownfish, or MorphFox from the official website only and install it. Open the program and set your real headset or microphone as the input device so the software has something to process. Choose a voice effect and enable the option that routes the processed audio to the program's virtual microphone. Open Windows Settings, then System, then Sound, then More Sound Settings. On the Recording tab, set the virtual microphone as the default device. Restart the Roblox app completely. Roblox reads the default input at startup, so changes made while it is running are ignored. Join a voice-enabled experience. Click the headphone icon to connect and speak. The green ring around your avatar's icon shows your voice is being sent. Adjust the effect intensity and your input gain until you are still clearly understandable, then save it as a preset. Tip: if other players hear nothing, the virtual mic is probably not the Windows default, or Roblox needs a restart. Also check that Roblox has microphone permission under Windows privacy settings.